Welcome back, fancy girls. So today is Sunday and we are getting ready to travel to New Jersey tomorrow. So I'm about to start packing now. And my baby's not having a good day, but I'm gonna try to get some packing done because I don't want to leave it to last minute. So let's get to packing. All right, so just an FYI, I did not plan ahead for this trip. So I haven't even planned my outfits. I tried to plan them yesterday and hopefully I have some cute ones. But I did go to Forever 21. So I have like all my bags right here. And let's start organizing this. Spread kindness, not germs.
Do you like donut juice?
And literally, girls, all of these clothes are from Forever 21 because I just came back from Dominican Republic, and then my parents came over yesterday for the weekend, so we did not have any time to prepare for this trip at all. So we just went to Forever 21 today and grabbed some shirts that are long sleeve, and we're just gonna wing it. This is what I'm wearing tomorrow when we leave. Some sweats. And this little sweater thing. And then of course I'll throw on like a jacket and another jacket and another jacket. This I can't wait to wear over there. I have a super cute outfit idea. I do have to go change now because we're going to go eat dinner with my fiance's family. So I'll see you girls tomorrow morning. Good morning. I am so tired, but I already showered and I'm gonna do my makeup. Oops. So I'm gonna do something super quick because even though we're gonna be on the road, I still don't want my face to be like plain because I'd like to take a lot of pictures and stuff when we're on our way there. So we're gonna do something simple and quick. All right, I'm all done. Okay, I need chapstick though. So here's what I'm gonna wear to travel. Just comfortable and my boots. Let's go. We grabbed breakfast, some Dunkin' Donuts, and I had the egg and cheese. This right here. So we just stopped to get gas and we're currently in Jacksonville and it's about 48 degrees here and I'm already like super cold because when we left Orlando it was only like 68 and right now in New Jersey it's like 18 degrees or something like that because it's snowing. So I'm going to be freezing, and like I told you girls, I didn't pack like a whole lot of jackets and things like that, so wish me luck because I'm definitely gonna be freezing. A quick bathroom break. We stopped at south of the border. You coming with me inside?
Yeah.
It is so cold. Let me show you girls what they have back here. There's a whole bunch of little stores. Okay, I gotta use the bathroom. Bye, babe. That's how cold it is. We are starting to see some snow. This is gonna be my first time in the snow, so I'm really excited. Okay, so we stopped to get gas, and I wanted to ask you girls, since I am going to be announcing the free giveaway soon, I want you to let me know why you would want to win a mirror quality bag. So please leave that in the comments below, and I am going to be reading them, and I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner this week. So make sure you guys leave your comments down below, and let's continue with the vlog. He gets so shy whenever I press record. He's so shy.
I'm trying to.
Okay, I'll leave it there. I'll leave it there. Sorry girls, it's a little weird. You want me to do the face I make so that way you feel better? Look. Here comes my food. I'm starving. What is that? Can you ask her for a napkin? Well, there'll probably be napkins in there.
We'll plug away too.
Baby, ask for napkins. There is none.
Also, can I get napkins?
Yes, I'm getting some.
Oh, if you guys haven't tried the sweet and sour sauce from McDonald's, I'm about to hook you girls up because sweet and sour sauce is so good. I dipped my chicken nuggets in there and my fries. So I'll be back when I'm done eating, girls. We are in Virginia now, and this is the first time that I see snow. It looks so nice. I'm going to get a Lunchable because I don't want to stop or keep driving, so this is my dinner for tonight. I've actually never seen this before. This is like a whole lot of snow. There's a whole lot of it. Alright girls, I'm gonna show you a last look at what it looks like right now. It's already like 12:46 at night. We're almost to the hotel, but we're about to grab some dinner and we're gonna call it a night. But let me show you girls what it looks like now. Good morning girls. This is the next day and I got to sleep in. So right now I'm gonna go shower, get ready. I'll see you girls in a little bit. Hey girls, we're outside and I was just taking some pictures and look at all the snow. It's so beautiful. So now we're gonna go grab breakfast. Look how pretty it looks. This feels just like Christmas in January. Well, actually February now, but look how pretty. I'm loving it. I'm going to put my window down so I can show you girls the snow. We grabbed our breakfast. Well, I didn't. He got out because it's freezing cold. Okay, I'm going to leave all of that there. I won't edit it to make you look cute. I hope you girls are seeing a little more of his character because he's a jokester. Okay, I'm gonna have breakfast now. This is what I grabbed. Did they put onions on it, baby?
Nope.
No? This is a Cuban sandwich. And I'll see you girls in a little bit. I already fell in the snow. Okay. Trying to take a picture. I'm following your footsteps. Oh God. Ooh, it's so cold. I'm wearing heels for God's sake. Slow down. Oh God. Oh girls, I'm freezing. And I'm wearing heels. Okay, now I have to do this again. Can you just move the truck a little bit so I can get in easier? I need to get some gloves. Ah, I can't feel my hands. At least I got my pictures. Hopefully they look nice. I have to be able to see you. Babe, don't do it hard. And do it over here. Not on my legs. Come over here. Come over here. Huh? You're gonna leg. Not my leg. Don't get my leg. Don't get my legs. You're where the jacket is. Come over here. I can't see you.
Ya tiene el clutch.
Alright, let's do that. Let's do the snowman real quick.
What's the one, dude? You need a shovel for that.
Help me. There's my snowman.
Horrible.
It's cute. You don't like it? No. I got that on tape. Yeah. Oh gosh. Okay, we're gonna go get dinner. And it's snowing again. We are at Banana King in New Jersey. Come on, babe, it's cold. You got it? Hello. Open. I have no idea what I'm gonna get. What are you going to get? The menu looks delicious though. Here's my steak sandwich from Banana King. I'm about to dig in. I am so excited. They have mini buñuelos, and this is something that I've had before. So I'm gonna try it. Oh, that tastes so good. We're gonna have to leave our wipers like that because it's still snowing. Good job, babe. Look at this. Just look at this. You girls see that? That's what happens to all the cars. They're all stuck Nonetheless, I'm loving the snow. You better not throw another one at me. You did one? Ah! Why are you like that? Babe! That's not nice. Oh, okay. I'll throw one in the morning. You lucky I have my food in my hand. Whew. Okay, girls. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. Good morning, girls. It's the following day and we slept in again. It's 11 in the morning and I'm gonna go shower, get ready for our day. So I'll see you girls when I'm ready.
Welcome back, fancy girls.
Okay, open the door, come on. I have my little ears on. You like it?
Yeah.
Okay, so where are we gonna take my pictures now? Oh, look right there, so cute.
Where?
In front of that. Oh gosh, this is so watery. Okay, come
You
on.
want to get a better scenery? We can go to Dumont's or Tenafly. There's nicer places.
So we're at the mall. And yes, I'm wearing my Snow Bunny little kitty cats. And I'm about to show you girls my outfit. You gonna record it? I am going to go ahead and close out the video right here. Before I do, I want to go ahead and announce the 500 giveaway winner, which is going to be right here, Kathy Osorio. So congrats, girl, you were number 500. So please message me to claim your prize. And also, I want to go ahead and let you girls know that I am going to be announcing the mirror quality giveaway this week. But before I do, I want to go ahead and hear why you girls want to win. So make sure you leave it in the comments below. I am going to be reading them. So don't forget to do that. And I'll see you girls on the next video. Bye.
Let's make me believe that.